Welcome everyone to our channel Trading for Beginners. In this video, you will learn how to download MetaTrader 5 app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, dive into the App Store and in the above search bar, you can just type in MetaTrader 5. After hitting the enter, you can find various options available here. You have to click on the second one, just look at the logo and recognize it. Tap get to start the download process. If you are downloading it for the first time, it will ask for your ID verification. Verify your identity either with the Touch ID or the Face ID, and the download process has finally begun. Now the MetaTrader app has been installed in your device. Just click on open to explore the app, to accept the terms and conditions of the MetaTrader 5 app and log into this app. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.